How to reset Instagram passwords if forgotten. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. Log into your account, then click on your profile located on bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on three lines on top right corner of your screen. After that, click on Account Center. Then go to Password and Security. Click on Change Password. Click on Instagram, and then click on Forgot Your Password. After that, email will be sent to the linked email account. Open Gmail, then you'll find Reset Password link, click on it. After that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, you can add your new password and new password again and click on Reset Password. And this is how to reset Instagram passwords if forgotten. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.